Hello guys, today we learn what is REST API. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. It is an architectural style that defines a set of rules in order to create web services. Let us see what is principle of REST API. It should be stateless, client server, uniform interface, cacheable, layer system, and code on demand. We discuss each one by one. Now, what is request? Request is made up of four things like endpoint methods and the method and header and body. Let us see what is stateless. The request sent from client to server will contain all the required information to make the server understand the request sent from the client. This can be either a part of URL, query string parameters, body, or even headers. The URL is used to uniquely identify the resource and the body holds the state of requesting resources. When the server processes the request, a response is sent to the client through the body status or headers. Now let us see client server. A client-server architecture enables a uniform interface and separate client from the servers. This enhances the portability across multiple platforms as well as the scalability of the server components. Now, third is uniform interface. REST has the following four interface constraints, which are resource identification, resource manipulation using representations, self-descriptive messages, and hypermedia as the engine of application stays. Now, fourth one is cacheable. In order to provide better performance, the application often made cacheable. This is done by labeling the response from the server as a cacheable or non-cacheable, either implicitly or explicitly. If the response is defined as cacheable, then the client cache can reuse the response data for equivalent response in the future. Next one is layer system. The layer system architectures allow an application to be more stable by limiting component behavior. This type of architecture helps in enhancing the application security as a components in each layer cannot interact beyond the next immediate layer they are in. Also, it enables load balancing and provides shared cache for promoting scalability. And last one, 6 code on demand that is optional. This optional constant and use the list. It permits a client code or applet to download it and to be used within the application. In essence, it simplifies the clients by creating a smart application which does not rely on its own code structure. Thanks for watching. If you want to view more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.